If you are a researcher and struggling to manage PDFs, write literature review, and manual writing of reports, then this video is for you. Hey, I'm Dr. Rizwana, and in this video, I am going to walk through new update of SciSpace for 2026, which genuinely changed that how researchers interact with their own PDFs, write reports, and manage references. So stay tuned. SciSpace has introduced powerful upgrade to its AI agent, including library search directly to your PDF, Zotero integration, and AI-powered report writing sub-agent, and the ability to save outputs with citations directly into notebooks. You can log in the tool in free by using the link available in description. And if you buy it in least price, then you can apply the mentioned code below. When you click the link, you will see that there are many options about the prominent features of SciSpace available on the left side. And in the same ways, you can see all these features which are going to help you in day-to-day tasks as a researcher. So when we click on My Library, here you can build your own libraries, and there are so many options. You can even search on the web, find a relevant literature about your topic, and you can check them and can save them in a library. You can upload files as I'm going to upload it, and can build my own library. And I'm going to create a new folder and will name it Ionic Liquids Applications. So here you can see I have my new folder, and I will click on it and will upload all the papers which I want to consider while writing my specific research topic. You can add the columns of your choice to understand what's in these research paper. Even if you are looking for conclusions, research section, if you want to summarize the introduction, and you want to see the limitation in each research paper. Here, this tool is creating a short summary about the main studies of each paper, which you can look, and that will be a very quick snapshot of each paper and help you to understand the main subject of each paper. Now I will go to the home and ask here, write the major applications of ionic liquids as a solvent from library. So as you can see, all the papers which have been uploaded appeared here, and based on these uploaded research paper which are available in my library, SciSpace is extracting the answer of my specific question. So you can ask any random question or any specific question, any research question, anything which is important for you to put in your research document, and you want to extract the answer from all of your literature. You can do this. It's a very helpful and extensive feature for the researchers, because you can stay within your collection and can find the relevant answer from your specific uploaded research papers. So ionic liquid serves widely as a designer solvent. This is a summary of the research paper. This is the organic reaction media, and these are the specific applications which ionic liquid as a solvent are being used. And you can see that the document which have been written by keeping in view those specific research papers come with in-text citation and the list of references also. So it makes your cross-checking and to check the validity of references and text you are getting more easy. So this is a very comprehensive, well-written document, and you can see that there is extraction and separations, and you will see a very comprehensive in detail research table also based on the application. And again, you can see a list of references along with in-text citations. Its second very important feature is that you can save all the writings which are being done at the interface of SciSpace. That can either be your chat on any topic, that can either be your research document which you write with the help of its deep search or AI agent feature. Any search, any writing task you performed at SciSpace, you can save it into the notebook. And in this way, this writing will save in your account at SciSpace, and you can access it whenever you want, and it will be easy for you to access and to make changes and to proceed further with that specific documents. Even you can change the style of list of references here just by clicking the reference style, and you can even rename this specific notebook or this specific folder. Another very important feature which SciSpace launched to make your reference management system easy and very handy is its integration with Zotero. You can just click on these connect tabs and import data for your research, and you will see there is a list of new integrations which are on the way to launch. You can connect your SciSpace with the OneDrive, with the Notion, Slack, or GitHub. But at the moment, it's Zotero integration is going to help you to connect your SciSpace library with your library of Zotero, and just by clicking on connect you will be able to log in and connect this your Zotero account with SciSpace. And after connecting you will be able to even ask the specific question and get the answer from the collection of the research papers which are available in Zotero, as you did with the library feature, and you did a chat by using those specific papers which have been saved in the library. You can perform same task with your Zotero collection also. Fourth very prominent feature of SciSpace which have been launched in its new update is its research report writing feature. So every document which you write in your research journey have their own specific format. For a research report, for example, I write in the SciSpace search bar, write a report on the limitations of ionic liquid as a solvent, and then I press on a writing button. The beautiful thing about this deep search feature of SciSpace is that it performs the action according to the type of document which you specify in the search bar. For example, if you are writing a literature review and you mention the type of specific literature review you are going to write, for example, that will be a comprehensive literature review or that will be a systematic literature review, SciSpace AI agent will formulate your answer according to the template and format that specific research review should be written. In the same way, as you can see, the format of the report will be different from the format of the literature which you write specifically for any kind of a research document. So live activity has been performed and 81 papers have been searched, which are showing you the number of relevance score, also the abstract of each paper, so that you have a quick snapshot about the relevancy of that specific paper about with your topic. You can see the citations, you can see that journal in which it has been published and the type of article. And this is a very good feature for you to cross-check the references which are being considered while writing your document. This will allows you to go through in detail the quality of the research paper along with the specific studies which are going to help you to understand that either that specific paper is covering your topic or not. For example, you can see in the reasoning section, review ionic liquids, drawbacks, link them to polarity and thermal stability, mentioning conventional solvent, benchmarks, suggest mitigation ideas, cites existence data. So you can see a long list of 81 papers which are being considered. And when you click on the output, you can see that the list of documents which have been synthesized until now by keeping these specific references. And as you can see, report is under writing process. These all are the specific activities which are based on adding the specific columns which are going to help you to make the snapshot of all these research papers more easy and to understand the relevance and the application context and specific limitations identified which are directly relating to your search query. So in live activity, you can see that the document is under writing process and writing file ionic liquid limitations report. So after a few moments, we will be able to access this report and we can see that how it covers all the information required for a report writing. This is a comprehensive in detail research report which have been synthesized by SciSpace report writing feature. This is the executive summary. This is the table of content. And you can see this is the very in detail introduction with in-text citations, which you can access just by clicking on them. And after that, there is a physical and transport property limitations, low ionic conductivity, wettability issues, environmental and toxicological concerns. So as you can see, the tool directly jump into the topic which we are concerned about. We are using this tool to write about instead of going through some basic informations, and it covers all the aspects very comprehensively in detail, and you will get the well-written research report along with in-text citations and a list of references, as you can see below, and you can access them by clicking on the DOI link. And again, you can save them into your notebook. You can name it, and then you can create a even new notebook here. And you can download all these files just by clicking on download. And as you can see, you can access them here in a zip folder, which you can extract one by one and can use for your further writing. For the researchers, SciSpace aims to make your research life easier by providing you the solutions of your real life problem. You can access the tool from the link available in description with discount code. And if you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.